Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kuya Darius. Kuya Darius, happy 7th birthday, anak. Wish ko sa iyo is sana lumaki kang mabuting bata at may takot sa Diyos. Maging masunurin sa mami at daddy. Hindi lang sila, lahat ng nakapaligid sa iyo. I-enjoy mo lang ang buhay ng pagiging bata. Happy birthday, anak! I love you!
7th birthday, Darius. Wishing you good health. Always be good to your parents and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Darius. Love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Darius. I love you.
Happy birthday, Darius. Enjoy your trip in Bohol with your family. Love you. Happy birthday, Darius. Enjoy your trip.
Happy birthday, Kuya Darius! Love you!
Hi, Darius! Happy 7th birthday!
We're wishing you a good health and full of love.
We love you!
Happy birthday, Kuya Darius!
We love you!
Happy 7th birthday, Kuya Darius!
Bait ka lagi, ha?
Aral na mabuti.
We love you!
Hi Darius, happy 7th birthday. Enjoy your day. Aral lang mabuti and always be a good kuya. Sending love from Laguna. Yay!
Happy birthday, Kuya Darius! Hi! Happy birthday, Kuya Darius! Sana lumaki ka na mabait and mapagmahal na kuya. And sana matupad lahat ng wish mo. Sana tuparin mo din yung wish ko. Sabi mo, bibigyan mo iPhone 17. Yun lang. Happy birthday! Mwah. Happy birthday, Kuya Darius!
Happy birthday, Darius! Happy birthday to the coolest kid ever! Stay awesome!
Happy 7th birthday, Kuya Darius! Love you!
Love you, kuya.
Love you.
Tingnan!
Hi Darius, 7th level unlocked. Keep being the awesome and energetic kid you are. Happy birthday, enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Darius! We love you!
Happy birthday, Darius!
Woohoo! Happy birthday!
Do you like it? Next time? Happy birthday, Kuya Darius. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Darius. I miss you. Bonding tayo pag uwi namin, okay? Enjoy Bohol. Happy birthday. We love you. Miss ka na namin ni Tito Baby.
Happy birthday, Kuya Darius! 6-7!
7th birthday, Darius. I hope you enjoy your birthday party. 6-7! 6-7!
Happy 7th birthday, Darius. I know your birthday is going to be fun and we'll all be there. I also hope that lahat ng mga wishes mo will come true. Ang wish ko naman sa'yo ay maging kang smarter kasi smart ka na at you become closer to God, lalo-lalo na ang school mo ay nasa church. At sana ikaw ay maging big brother talaga ni Damian. I love you!
Happy birthday sa unang paborito kong apo. Happy birthday, Darius. Nagmurag ka ni Lola. Sana'y lumaki kang hindi mayabang. Sana'y lumaki kang malusog. Hindi nakikain.
Darius, happy birthday!
Darius, my message to you on your birthday is always pray to Jesus. Study your lessons and make your assignment if you have. And my wish is to please lower down your voice when talking to your mother. Sometimes make a good example to your brother to emulate. Look at this canary. Enjoy your trip to Bohol. Not all children can afford to travel in different places. So, thank you, parents and grandparents. If you don't understand some of my English, Joy will explain it to you. Babu.